In this video, we will learn how to remove password protection from PowerPoint presentation. So let's start. Open your Microsoft PowerPoint, and here you can see I already created one presentation and it's protected with the password. So if you want to check, just click on the File tab and click on the Info option, and you can see the presentation is protected with the password. The password is required to open this presentation. So here I'm going to remove this password. Just click on this arrow and click on the encrypt with password and just remove this password. Just delete with the delete key of the keyboard. Okay, then click on OK. So that's it. Now your presentation is remove the password protection. Okay, so this is a way you can easily remove the password protection of Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.